Here I have DOOGEE S61 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you should go to Files, then switch to SD card. So basically scroll down here, select SD card, tap on three dots, go to Storage Settings and select Format. Then tap Format SD card, and after a few seconds SD card will be fully formatted and ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.